Hello everyone, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Salif Fajar Arhab. So today I will explain to you about banks in the digital era and new market opportunities in Sharia. Let me start by giving you some background about Sharia market in Indonesia. First, Indonesia is a country with the largest Muslim population in the world, with a population around 200 million, which means that 3% of world Muslim population is in Indonesia. This is a great potential for us for creating a center for Sharia economy. And then we have total asset of Sharia bank in Indonesia around 500 trillion rupiahs. Of course, this is still far behind Malaysia, which has total assets more than 2,000 trillion rupees. This explains that the Sharia ecosystem in Indonesia hasn't grown optimally. Then Sharia economic performance has growth reached 5% in 2019. And one of the opportunity for Islamic market is halal value chain and industry, halal industry. And the challenge for banks in the digital era is financial technology. Well, turning our attention now to the forecast of global Islamic economy. Based on the data, Muslim spend is forecasted to reach 2.4 trillion by 2024 at a 5-year cumulative annual growth rate of 3%. So the largest coming from Islamic finance assets, and the others are part of the halal industry such as food, clothing, media, and travel. This means that there will be an increase in demand in the halal industry. So now let's move on Islamic finance opportunity. Based on information, bank digitization has strong signal for the future. Because we need this because we need the products of the bank that more effective and efficient. And so in this digital era, what digital platform in finance that we can use? One of the answer is financial technology, because it is an innovation in financial sector that provides convenience and then more practice, and they can do like risk and investment management, payment, clearing, settlement, or helping small medium enterprise get capital, zakat, wakaf, and sodakoh. So, what can banks do to participate in the development of the Sharia market and this digital era? So, at the first, we can support the halal industry, and we can support small medium enterprise in the form of providing capital to run their business, and then encourage every businessman to have a halal certificate, because by becoming a halal businesses, their market and their demand will increase along with the development of the halal industry or ordinary industry. So this increase in demand will later require more capital, and the bank will provide for them. And then we have to make bank digitization, because we have to make the product of the bank more practice. So the people like us or retail businesses or maybe small medium enterprise can easily access it. And the development of e-commerce is also one of the causes of widespread use of financial technologies. So the banks must also be able to collaborate with all existing merchants and e-commerce. And then the next solution is Islamic finance and halal value chain campaign, because the conditions of our Islamic financial literacy is still very low, around 8%. So that the Sharia ecosystem is difficult to grow in Indonesia, even though this is a country with a very large number of Muslims. These campaigns on Sharia finance and halal value chains carry out in various ways. Maybe like Sharia festival or collaboration with Islamic broadcast media such as Nahdlatul Ulama, Muhammadiyah, or other Islamic education institutions so that halal ecosystem can easily realize. Last but not least, human resources must be ready for buying digitization, and customers must also educated regarding the latest digital products from the bank. So, okay, that's enough from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. See you.